Hello friends, I am Champion Mahipal. Today we are going to learn about gets and put function in C language. Get s and put s are used for getting a string from the user and printing a string. Okay, the speciality of this is that it is unformatted input and output type. In the previous lecture we have learned printf can be used as formatted output, can be used for formatted output, but getS and putS can only be used for the unformatted input and output. Here I have taken one string s, then I have written enter string, the user will enter string, then it will stored in the getS, and then we have printed the string putS. In this we have written the string variable or array or string name which we need to get and which we need to print. Here we don't need any ampersand or any other things like printf or scanf. Okay, let us take a look at its output. Enter string, I am entering champion, you enter champion. We are going to learn about get character, get che and get ch functions in C language. Okay, so all these functions are available in the conio.h header file. Conio means console input output. Okay, so let us take a look at how all these are different and how these works. In the I have taken a character I. First I will take a value from the user in the getch and put it into the I, and then put character will print the character, and in the second I will take input using getche, and in the third I will take input from getch. The difference is that while getting the input from the get character, you have to first enter the character, then you have to press enter, then it will go to next statement. In getche, it will just take one character from you as an input and move to another command or next statement, and it will also show what you have printed. But getch will not show what you have printed or given input. So now let us see its output to learn it better. Enter a value for get character. I am A. Okay, A is printed. Then enter a value for getche echo B. After pressing B, I have not pressed enter. It just move here and printed all these. And now for getch, I am printing C. Here C is not printed. I have given input C, which is printed from the next statement, but here it is not printed. Okay, this is the basic difference between. We are going to learn about typecasting in C language. So what is typecasting? Typecasting is casting from one data type to another data type. For explaining this, I have created one program. Let us take a look at this. Okay, here I have used two integers, one float I have given values to both the integers 5 and 2, and I am doing is I am dividing A and B and storing it in the C. So first we will see what happens if we do nothing special. Okay, see, value is 2. 5 divided by 2, it should be 2.5, but here it has not given the correct output. Now what is the reason? Reason is that it has divided A and B and stored, as both these are integers, it has given output as an integer. So the output is 2, but it is saved in the float, so it gets 2.6 times 0. Okay, but if we want the output in a floating point, then we need to convert one of the integer into float. So I have written this float in bracket. It has converted this typecast. Converted means typecast this into floating and saved it in C. Okay, now let us take a look at its output. Value is 2.5. Okay, this has typecasted the integer into floating and result is changed and result become floating point. This is typecast. We are going to learn about type define in C language. Type define is used to define another name for the existing data type. Okay, so here is an example to show how it works and how you can give another name to an existing data type. So let us take a look at this. I have type def keyword is used to give name to the data type. Here I have given dec means decimal to float. So in the program now, when I will write dec, it will be interpreted as float. So here I have created one variable of dec, that is float, and given value to it and taken its output. Now we are going to see its output. Here is the output. It is as same as for the floating point. Okay, we are going to learn about files in C language. We can create and write anything in a txt file or any other type of file using C language. We can also read the data written in file using C. So today we are going to learn how we can do all these. Here is an example to show how we can do this. I have created one ch character type, and this is a file pointer of file type. This stores the location of the file we are using. Okay, here we have just written the command for the user. This command will do what? fopen will open a file of name a.txt with w mode. W means write mode. We can use any other mode like read mode, write mode, append mode, and many other. If this name of file is not available, then what it will do? It will create the file of the same name and then write in it. Okay. Now what I am doing here, I am just taking a character from the user till we don't get the one. We have written one here so that we can quit our file. Okay. and after that we have written here f put c chfp. F put c will do what? It will put the characters we are getting from the user into the file. Here is the file pointer and here is the character we want to insert into the file. Okay, and then f close will close the file of which we have written file pointer. Okay, in this we have created a file and written data in the file, and now we want to read what is written in the file. Okay, just a command or output to show user that now we are going to show what is written in the file. Here we have opened the file from the same with read mode. Now we want to just read the data. Okay, while ch is equal to f get c, get character, f for file, get character from the file which is pointed by fp and put it in the ch till eof, that is end of file, is not detected. It will get the character from the file which is pointed by the fp file pointer, put it into the ch. Okay, then it will print f will print the character which we are getting from the file, and at last we are closing the file. So now let us take a look at its output. Right here the file, right here in file name a and write 1 to exit. When we will write 1, it will get exit. I am writing one. Okay, text written in file is love C language. Okay, this is all about files. Thank you very much.